నా స్క్రీన్ సార్ అన్న బాధ్యత ఉండేది 3 కెమెరాలు నాను ఎందుకు నన్ను నలిపేస్తారా
Tina.
Oh, sorry. Sir, this person is most important.
Sure, photo this sir.
Most important. ఒక్క నిమిషం
సార్
ఉండు రావద్దా
బాబు सर
एक ही आदमी खड़ा रहो सर ना साइड रहा वापस ना
ना
सर जल्दी आ जाओ 1 मिनट विजुअल आना ओके सर
I am feeling great, yaar. Thanks to this beautiful blessing. I am really grateful. Came with family. बहुत अच्छा लगा कि बहुत अच्छा दर्शन मिला और सबको सब भगवान की कृपा है और भैया ने भी बहुत हेल्प किया तो बहुत सालों से दोस्त थे और आई फील गुड जब आज अश्विन के लिए भी अच्छा दिन है ताले अजित को भी बहुत अच्छा दिन है तो Romba Nandri, it's very good to see awards given and that will inspire a lot of youngsters. Sama Ato is one of the best youngsters now. World record, in fact, second highest to score the fastest 100 in IPL, Indian Premier League. I was very fortunate to be there watching it from the commentary box, from the regional channel, and we had predicted in the break that there's a possibility that Rajasthan Royals will win and Vaibhav might score that big 100. So I am blessed to be a part of that, and it's good to see Indian cricket doing extremely well. It's very important for players from Bihar, Kerala, Telangana, and a lot of, especially from the south and the interiors of India, to come and perform. So God will be blessing, and I'm sure Suryavamshi sooner or later will come to Tirupati and take the blessings of Venkateshwara also.